Maguzi ayo Maguzi
on the okay April 2021 and the big announcement by say the European Super League. There's a clubs a kukudam do mienu oma kan say omo ti omo na nkoma create omo own Super League ebeboa ema musika sem etimi akonkan. Now it faced a lot of backlash. Dodo na na support from the supporters front, from the administrators point of view, and even the organizers, which is UEFA and FIFA. Omo share say enya de ombe mo ho kwan mo ma yesa ne no na pressure ni mu a anya clubs be yen kran omo twi omo ho di free mu ebeka miensa na ebeka ye no na eno Juventus, Barcelona and Real Madrid. Omo ne from the stubborn three. The stubborn three have been involved in a legal battle with UEFA and FIFA at various quarters. Now FIFA and Ankomona Kwakodru Enra ye who say Juventus at the statement about Bonte, and the statement capture said with reference to rumors that appeared in today's press, Juventus Football Club SPA or Juventus or the company informs that it has transmitted a communication to the two remaining clubs that as Juventus have not exercised their withdrawal from the Super League project, Football Club Barcelona and Real Madrid Club the Football, in order to initiate a discussion period among the three clubs concerning the potential Juventus's exit from the European Super League project. Omudi to just say, yeah, about this Juventus for actual Super League, there be a Montreal, Nemum, or Mashasi, any clubs in Real Madrid, any Barcelona, Edin Comoseni Abeya, or Juventus no, Akonya Beba, or Mobetrio, any free European Super League name. Na, the Omo Yeno. And yes, will be in the air show so Montois yet, and they are captured in the second paragraph. And you UEFA, and a day pressure almost a 1 year, yet the suspension at the amount. So they are taking a decision they feel say a right for them. And in Komono, a beguswako. So another amount for visa say, why did we get here? And a crime based on Juventus air far to make sure say or repair damaged relationships with the top or the power brokers of European and world football. The other three Agnelli Ebusuyakuno, where Andrea Agnelli, where John Elkan. John Elkan, he didn't know Agnelli because ne mame Margarita Agnelli. Into ne mame na ko ware Alan Elkan. Now or American journalist or capture basically on French, Israeli, Jewish issues. Now Alan Agnelli Elkan ne Margarita no omonomo John Elkan. Now he's in charge of Exor and running Juventus after the Plus Valenza scandal. Agnelli, so he stepped down from his role as chairman of Juve. When the new chairman of Juve, he's a direct opposite of Niniano. Agnelli is seen as a risk taker or a radical, and he or take a decision now. On Shada in Sunsanso, he damns the consequences. For Elkan, he's more business minded, so he's a risk taker. Before so be to an or drain and Sanwe, or on a running Scuderia Ferrari, F1, yes. Ferrari Omo, he is in charge of it. Our Shema Bibia Conkain. Now Elkan wants to remedy the ills and answer the wrongs of Andrea Agnelli. Ne cousin no. Busuya ba kunti Busuya ne son. Omo ye powerful. Omo running Fiat cars ni no. It comes from this Agnelli family. And Tiniani be making mistakes. Ama akosi omo one business decisions, revenue, and then sporting to their suffering. Watch Juventus say at one point. So Elkan wants to step in now with in Tokra Agnelli no ekretia Emma Ebusiano Lususka. For this year, for instance, Juventus lost 220 million euros by way of revenue. A BAC Kasemo Omania from sponsorship, failure to qualify for most of the Champions League group stage for next season. Champions League year boy crano or group stage. And it has cost them revenue. Elkan, in trying to repair Sanyo money in they have decided to take the step. Never understand the bedroom. Nanka Juventus enim say Omone Barcelona and Real Madrid will take a decision that will help their cause. Enti omo peja asem na omone UEFA and FIFA wono ekopie mu ewo the ECJ. ECJ ni the European Court of Justice ewo Luxembourg. Omo tena se kan semu a ebetimi abo ama pepeye etimi akonkan e de ama wo bia wo hwehwe no. Now case ne call no opinion no da so yi Anastasios Rantos, or a Greek judge, but is in charge of that particular court.